My video cut off suddenly last time, but I'm going to continue here. So this is the one of the injector connectors. This is the driver's front injector connector. And the way you get these off, there's a plastic clip that's already inside the injector connector. It's inside here. It's inside there, and it keeps you from being able to pull this little tang back to release the injector. So what you have to do is you have to pull this piece here, right here, back off the harness, off that, snap this out, pull this up and out of the connector. Once you do that, you'll have this free, and you press on this little tab right here. Press that, and it moves that tab, and it releases the connector off the injector. That's how you get it off. To put it back on, you just put it back together. I can do it with one hand. Anyway, you put this back together, and it's hard to do with one hand. But anyway, you see what I'm talking about. You put it back together, snap this on, and then you just push it back on the injector with it all together. So that's how you get an injector loose. Just want to show that. So I've already connected all the injectors on this side. I've connected the ignition harness here. I've connected the map sensor up there. I've connected the knock sensors here. Of course, the cam sensor is in the very back on the bottom. I connected that before I ever put the intake manifold on. I guess getting the cam sensor out is a nightmare because you have to take the whole intake off. And then I've got the 4 injector connectors on this side to connect, coolant sensors down there. So that's about it for the harness, and I'm going to wrap this video up now. And next I have to do a little bit more wiring on the bottom, install the oil dipstick, transmission dipstick, finish putting the radiator shroud or the radiator fan back in and the shroud, and fill it with coolant, and I think it'll be ready to crank. So I'll make a video when it's ready, when it's running. Thanks for watching.